Make this juice and remove gallstones and kidney stones. The kidneys are one of the most important organs in the human body. They help us flush out and eliminate all toxins and excess salt from the organism. This is why you should take good care of them and cleanse them from time to time. This is the main reason why we are going to show you how to make the most powerful and most effective homemade remedy, which will help you cleanse your kidneys and improve their function. Avoid oxalate foods, because when calcium and iron mix, the oxalate makes crystals in the urine and they cause the big stones for blocking in the kidney tubules. This means no almonds, peanuts, spinach, cashews, wheat bran, black tea, hazelnut, soybeans and soy milk, instant tea, rhubarb, beet, sweet potato, chocolate, and dry beans. Reduce the number of animal proteins, definitely less salt, less calcium. Drink a glass of water before bed. Lemons are very useful for this health problem. Consume watermelon every day. Take potassium and citric juices. And now, let's get back to our remedy. This home remedy is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. You'll need the following ingredients: 1 orange, 1 apple, 1 lemon, 4 ice cubes, 4 watermelon slices. Put all the ingredients mentioned above into a blender and blend well. That's it. Enjoy your drink. Gallstones are tiny stones found in the gallbladder. Gallstones are made up of cholesterol particles, calcium deposits, and other substances that are found in bile. Gallstones are formed when cholesterol, calcium and other particles bind to each other and become lodged in the gallbladder, causing pain and other problems, such as indigestion and back pain. One of the most common symptoms of gallstones is feeling bloated after a heavy meal. You have that feeling like you can't digest the food. If it gets more serious, you will also feel pain in the liver area. Best natural juices for gallstone removal. 1. Veggie juice. Just blend carrot, beet, and cucumber and drink this juice twice a day. 2. Lemon juice. Drink warm water with lemon juice in the morning, immediately after waking up. It's very simple, just squeeze 4 lemons and add water. 3. Turmeric. It's very simple. You just have to mix 1 teaspoon turmeric and honey. 4. Epsom salt. 1 teaspoon Epsom and cup water every night. 5. Citrus. All citrus fruits are good for this health problem. 6. Apple juice and ACV. Just mix 1 glass apple juice with 1 tablespoon ACV and drink this mixture every day. Lemon. Here's what you need to do, just add 1/2 lemon juice in a glass of water and drink this 2 times per day. Or, you can add 5 grams garlic paste, 30 milliliters olive juice, 30 milliliters lemon juice and mix it. Have this before breakfast for 40 days. Herbal tea. Just drink 1 cup St. John's wort a few times per day. Or, you can add 4 to 5 leaves in the water.